Hello everyone, I'm Roxanne H. Fuentes, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to save anything from the internet to your Microsoft OneNote. And that is through the OneNote Web Clipper. Okay, diba as teachers, we are always looking for information. And we all know that the internet is full of information. So how do we organize and save um, the information that we find in the internet? So let's say I have here a website, and then we saw that kailangan natin yung information. So what teachers usually do is to, copy the information and paste it in a Microsoft document, and then save it in our desktop, and then open it later on if we need the information. But for me, that's very time consuming because it takes a lot of things to do, like copy and pasting, saving, opening, and looking for the Word document. Now, what I usually do is I use the OneNote Web Clipper in saving the information that I need from websites. So, for example, I have here a website, and then what I would do to save this is just click the OneNote Web Clipper icon here from the Google Chrome extension bar. So, let's say there. And then there are four options to save the information. Full page, that means I am going to generate an image of the entire website there. Region, for example, if I only need this part here, I can highlight it, and then there you go. Yun lang yung makukuha ko. Again, it will generate an image, or you can add another region. Third is you can actually save the entire article. That means if you're saving the entire article, you can actually edit it, like make the font bigger, make the font smaller, change the font or the color of the text here. And then lastly is if you're just going to bookmark the website or the web page. Now, for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to choose article because I want to save the article and edit it later in my Microsoft OneNote. Okay. The next thing is the second step is you're going to choose the location. The location to which you are going to save the article. So, ito yung mga notebooks nyo in your Microsoft OneNote. So let's just say I will add it on my OneNote tips and tricks na notebook under the basic na section. Okay, that's the second step. Now, once that you have decided kung saan mo siya isa-save, the next thing that you're going to do is just click clip, and then just wait for the article to be clicked. Now, once the clip is successful, you can now go to your OneNote and check if you already have the article in your OneNote. So if you're going to, I saved it in my OneNote tips and tricks na notebook, and then under the basic section. So as you can see, it's here already. Okay? The article that is in the website. Now I can edit this in my OneNote. Alright, so now it's very, very easy for us to organize and save data information that we collect from the internet by using the OneNote Web Clipper as a Google Chrome extension. Now, if you're going to ask me where to find and install the OneNote Web Clipper, you can actually check it out and install it from the Google Chrome Web Store. So you just have to type in chrome.google.com/webstore and then search the OneNote Web Clipper extension and install it from there. I hope it will help you guys. Thank you.